1975 Buick LeSabre Custom. I'm Jason with Rolling Museums. We are dream cars one call away. Let's check her out. The paint on her is in nice driver quality condition. She has a few minor scratches and blemishes. But overall, from 10 feet away, you won't be able to tell. I like to call this driver quality paint, but she's in great condition. We like to show you everything that you're gonna see when you come purchase your car in the videos. I'd say she's a solid 7.5. Interior is very nice. Has minor wear on the door cards. I found one rip in the seat right there. But overall, she's in great shape. Dash is in great shape. It's got one crack over on the passenger side. Right there. But the top is in great shape. The lower dash. Excellent condition. She reads just under 98,000 miles. Inner and outer felts are good. The bottom of the driver door has a little room for opportunity. At some point, it'll need a little attention. She could go for a weather stripping kit. Passenger door, inner and outer felts are good. The door is very solid. She has no room for opportunities. No pit in the surface at the bottom or anything. The top would need some work on the switch, but don't quote me on that. Deck lid is in excellent shape. She still has the factory stickers. The trunk floor is solid. Just has some minor surface that can be cleaned up. It has the spare tire and the original jack. She's in great shape. She's fairly clean. A nice driver. We're gonna go around, we're gonna check out the engine bay. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a big block Buick V8. She's an air conditioned car. She has power brakes, power steering. She has all the options. She has power windows, power locks. Let's start her up. Fired right up. It's run good, guys. I have all the contact information in the description below. And don't forget, guys, here at Rolling Museums, your dream car is one call away.